XRP holder, in this video I will update you. I predicate this coin to what's going on in the future. Can in June they are good for investment or not, my friends? Can XRP will give you a profit and this month or not? So let's start this brand video. But definitely I will request you to please subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, you know what can they help you, my brother. ABS Tech channel will update you. ABS Tech channel will guide you. So you need to subscribe. Click the red button and subscribe. Thank you so much, my brother. So this time you can see here the last 1 month chart is on the screen. First of all, my brother, I predicate this coin, and after that, my friend, I will update you. You can see here, my brother, the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you, my friends. So this chart is completely a negative. So why? You know, all capital market is very badly falls down, especially in the May, my friend, especially in the last month. So it's a one main reason to my friends, especially the short. All companies, my friend, all investors, especially who invest for a short time and who invest for a long time, exactly they're starting selling in this month because it's starting, my friends, new month. So exactly they're starting selling. So if they're starting selling, the holder starting selling, then it's mean to their falls down, the prices decrease, and the change occur will be for a bit negative. So it's 100%, my friends, possible to they fails down. So exactly, my brother, but remember to after a fails, exactly every cryptocurrency is moving upward. Remember this, my friend, absolutely this is reality. And after a fails, they take a very huge jump. So now you can see here, absolutely this is, you can see here on the screen, this is live chart. Exactly, you can see here after a jump they fails down, and you can see here and after a fails they take a jump. So it's 100% sure, my brother, to in upcoming time there is more chances to they will moving upward. So I think this is very good for you to invest in XRP in this time. And remember, this is not a financial video. I will ABS Tech channel is just update you, it's just give you advice, my brother, remember. All right, so as a brother, I will tell you, my brother, to invest in XRP. Absolutely they will give you a very good profit. And XRP, remember to this is very stable coin. They cannot fails down very fastly. If they fails down, exactly they cannot fails down very fastly. So try to understand, my brother, to this is very good for investment. All right, let's see, my brother. Now the XRP very big update is not available, but this time you can see here the price and the chain update is on the screen. So you can see here, my brother, 0.36% they fails down, they moving upward. So it's mean to in June they are completely starting moving upward. And remember to in the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down. Definitely you can see here they are starting moving upward. So it's mean, my brothers, to in upcoming time there is more chances to they will moving upward. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, and yeah, remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos.